Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Stripe account and how to take payments inside of ManyChat and your Messenger bot. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to click settings. The first thing is what we need to do is click settings. Come over to payments and connect our Stripe account. I'm going to show you, I'm already connected, but I'm just going to disconnect this one. It's very, very simple. I know it seems like connecting two apps is a little bit mad, but it's actually not. ManyChat makes it very, very easy. So we're going to add or create Stripe account. Okay. That's not what I wanted it to do, but let's see if it does it again. Come out of it, go on to a different page. Add or create Stripe account. It's going to redirect you to Stripe, or it's just redirecting me to ManyChat. Okay, it's just going to connect my account, but basically all you do is you press that button that was there, you type in your Stripe account details, press login, and it will just connect you right here back in ManyChat. It's literally as simple as that, guys. I hope I've explained it okay for you. Down here, send user successful charge receipt. Yes. So this is how you obviously you change your currency in here. So we want it to be in obviously the US dollar because that's where the client is and that's where the orders are going to be coming from. And we're going to notify the admins in Messenger and email, and we're going to send a receipt to the email to the user's email. If you want to change your how your receipt looks, you just click in here, and it will take you through to your Stripe account, which you can change. So that's connecting Stripe. Then what we'll do is we want to come over into our buying flow. In this case, it's write a letter flow. And I'm just going to click edit flow here. So the users complete all these questions over on this side, and then they come to the sales message block, if you like. I'm just going to click on this to show you a little bit more. So to create a buy button, which is one of these, you click, simply do add button, buy button, and enter the price, which will be, let's just say it's $9, item name. This is the information you want the user to fill out. In this particular case, we've got all this information, so we don't need this. And you know, you could only allow them to make this purchase if they've, I don't know, come through a specific place, or they've been tagged with something in specific. You know, this is quite powerful actually when you think about all the things you can do with it. Or you know, if you have an offer on and say you can only get this within the next hour, last seen an hour ago, tag them. You know, whatever it may be. But for now, we're just going to keep it nice and simple. So when they click that, basically, they're going to go over here, but they're going to be met with a payment. The payment block is going to come up in here. It's just going to ask them for their credit card details. They press confirm, and it's done. So that is that. However, I'm going to show you something a little bit cool now. All this information is lead information, which we want to retain, right? So once they've completed this, we're going to make an action, which is what do we call it? I think so. Once you integrate your Google account, which I'm going to show you in a moment, you get this Google Sheets actions. We're not gonna do that now, but basically the action is going to be Google Sheets actions, insert row. You want to select the sheet you want to work from. The spreadsheet, the sheet number, and then all your custom fields you're just going to align. So these are your custom fields. these are the titles that you've got in the Google Sheet. So in the username, we're going to put the full name. In the child's name field, we're going to put child's name 1. In the last name field, we're going to put the last name. The present field, you can see here, present, Xmas gift, custom field, like this, okay? This is quite important for a key, because you're probably going to want a key to have your team use it, and sort of keep track of like orders and stuff like that, and status of people's orders. Obviously, you don't want this to be written over or overwritten, so we're just going to put a blank field in here. So this is just a field I've made called blank field. There's no information in there. It doesn't get recorded anywhere, so nothing gets overwritten in the spreadsheet. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your Google account. So I'm going to do it from scratch on a new page. So we're going to come over to settings. We're going to go into integrations, connect Google Sheets account. It's going to redirect you to Google now, and you're going to be able to use any of your accounts to sign in. I'm going to use this one. We're going to allow the permissions. And that's it. Job done. So if we want to make a flow, I'll just show you as an example. New flow. What is your name? What is your name? Sorry, actually, this is going to be one of these. My bad. What is your name? Save response as customer name. Apply type. This is the customer's name. It's always good to fill this in just for your team, guys, if you're going to be working in a team. And then we're going to do action. Google Sheets, select sheet. Actually, tell a lie. The first thing you're going to need to do is, in fact, we could use this one. So let's use this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is make a sheet which looks like this. So this is where all your leads are going to go. Okay. So let's say we've made our sheet, and we're inside our bot. We've taken the action, which is Google Sheets actions. We're going to insert row. It's going to see what ones we've got, and we want. What one was it called? I believe it was ManyChat example leads. Worksheet 1. And for here, we're going to have customer name. Save. Now, when somebody types their name, it is going to be saved in here. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Obviously, I explained to you how to do it, to do all of these in relation to this document. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching.